Hello everyone, thank you for stopping on my channel. In this video we are going to look at what happened in the last video. So in the last video we opened a pull request from here, and we added our contribution to this repository. And now let's see what happened to that, and did he accepted the pull request. And you can see um, 4 days ago merge pull request from our repository. So now if I click on this, it's gonna show me the details and the changes. You can see the changes, the files that I have changed, and the editions. So if we look at here, the minus, the one that has minus, which means that line has been removed, and the plus means this line has been added, which means I just added a comment. You can see double slash to this, and this, you can read the whole thing, the whole commit history. You can see 22 changes, changed files. So we changed 22 files, and we made 896 editions, and we made around 1172 deletions. So we can look at the whole history here, and it's been verified and accepted. Our full request has been accepted. So now we will be able to see those changes in this project. So you can see our commit message is also put on top of the main commits. So you can see if I click on this, I will be able to see the changes we have made to that. So now here we have porked this from there, right? So it says one commit ahead from there. So when there are some new things in this main repository, and you do not have those changes, it will definitely show this thing, and you will have to sync it. So we can update our branch. Also um, we can compare it. We can see the changes. Do you want to make those changes in our version or not? So now those changes are merged into ours as well, and this is now up to date branch along with this one. So now what we can do is, if we want, we cannot put our changes, and we can completely build another version of this e-commerce website with Laravel e-commerce website, and that is something we can do as well. So we will try different things, and we will look at the website and the things that we can improve in this website. And you can see, I think the images are also missing and not loading. We will look at them, and from there we will carry on exploring the application and adding more features. So this was just a quick overview of what happened to our commit. Um, we will be able to see the full open pull request here, and currently we have 9 labels. um, so that's what happened to our commit, and this is how you can this is how you can contribute to an open source Laravel project. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one, where we will continue exploring this application and explore the features and the code, and we will read the code and so on and so forth. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.